Hey guys, what is up? This is Harry and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at another Apple CarPlay wireless adapter by the brand known as CARabc. This small circular adapter plugs directly into your car's USB port, creating a wireless connection between your iPhone and your car's head unit. Extremely useful device for cars like mine, which have wired CarPlay functionality only and not wireless. So be sure to watch this video till the very end, as I have an exclusive discount coupon for you all to use on your CARabc purchases. So without further ado, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications, and let's finally get on with this video. As always, let's first take a look at the box itself before we move on to its contents. At the front of this white square box, we can see an outline of the wireless adapter along with the company branding on it and a few highlights of the device. It supports online software updates, it's plug and play with quick connect, which means no installation will be required, and it is compatible with a wide range of car models as well. This CarPlay adapter is compatible with all iPhones version 10 and above. We don't get much of anything on the sides of the box apart from company branding on two opposite sides, and that this model is to run CarPlay. At the rear of the box, we can see a few more device specifications. The model name of this adapter is H1. Let's remove the cover of this white box now and see what all we get in it. This white box consists of a small detailed user manual in several different languages. Then we get two white USB cables. One is Type-C to A cable, while the other is Type-C to C cable. So you get the option to use either one of these cables depending upon your car's compatible USB ports. And of course, we get the main unit. This circular device looks quite sleek and fits easily in the palm of my hand. It's powered with a 1 GHz dual-core Cortex-A7 chip. Comes in just one color option, which is this gray color. Company branding at the front, right above the single LED light this thing has. USB Type-C port on the side, and at the rear we get a very soft rubberized material, ensuring no scratches on any surface no matter where you place this thing on. Along with it being extremely small, this CarPlay adapter is really lightweight as well, weighing only 39 grams, making it easy to store in your car's glove compartment or even the center console very easily. And here are a few different products for size comparison. Alright, now let's connect this thing to my car, the Kia Sonet, and test it out. As informed earlier, my car comes with a USB Type-A port for wired CarPlay, and you can see that currently there are no Bluetooth connections added to my car. Same is the case with my iPhone, which is the iPhone SE. All we need to do now here is to use the compatible USB cable, connect one end of it to the adapter and the other end to the car's USB port. Now on your iPhone, go to settings and ensure that both the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth have been switched on. Meanwhile, on the head unit, we can see the Bluetooth device name, which is also known as the SSID of the Carabc wireless adapter. This is the ID that we now need to pair with on my iPhone. So now let's enter my phone's Bluetooth settings and pair to the adapter. Simply follow the steps on your phone in order to connect successfully. And then finally click on the Use CarPlay option in the prompt that follows. The initial setup can take a few minutes to complete. However, once you have this adapter set up properly, it will automatically connect to your iPhone shortly after you start up your car. And as soon as the pairing process completes, we can see Apple CarPlay working wirelessly on my car's head unit. In my experience, the average connection time for this device is around 18 to 20 seconds only, which I think is pretty good. The performance of this wireless adapter has been quite good as well, which I've been using and testing for about 2 weeks now. It is just a bit laggy when compared to wired CarPlay, which is a given due to the latency that comes with any wireless device. And as you can see, the display resolution using this Carabc wireless adapter matches exactly to the wired connection. All of the basic features such as making and receiving phone calls or even messaging anyone work like normal. Sound playback in music apps such as Spotify was crisp and clear even during phone calls. In my testing, we get a smooth lag-free CarPlay experience with this device. No dropped calls or choppy music. All of the steering wheel controls and the buttons right below the screen still work with the device. Navigation apps such as Google Maps work just fine here as well, and I couldn't find any issue while using it in transit. And in case you were wondering, even the voice control feature still works perfectly. Siri, how's the weather today?
Should be sunny today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 35 degrees, with overnight lows around 22.
We also get the option to update the software of this device simply by entering its IP config menu. If you're also trying to access it from your home, then simply connect the other end of the USB cable to any 5-volt adapter such as this one. Just be sure to disconnect Apple CarPlay before accessing the IP config menu, otherwise it might not work for you. Password to which is 8x8 and can be accessed from both Android phones as well as iPhones. This basic one-page menu allows us to view the build number, change the audio streaming or the delayed start modes, features which I would not recommend you change unless the interface on your car is not smooth enough. Adjust these according to your specific needs only. Then we get the option to update the firmware of the device, like I said, or if ever need be, restore the device to its original factory settings. So after testing the CARabc wireless CarPlay adapter for a while now, I'm quite happy with its performance. Though it may look like a simple device, but it does pack itself with everything we need when looking for a wireless CarPlay adapter. I would definitely recommend this device for what is being offered, especially at this price point. In order to purchase the CARabc wireless CarPlay adapter, you can visit the official website of CARabc. Use my exclusive discount coupon HarryWT to get a 15% off on your purchase to buy any of CARabc products. At the time this video is being recorded, this device is available for $48 or 4100 Indian rupees, meaning that using my discount code HarryWT, you would get a discount of $7.20 or 615 rupees if you're buying it here in India. For reference purpose, my wireless CarPlay adapter was delivered to me in about 3 weeks time, and I did not have to pay anything extra at the time of delivery since shipping is free. And with that, we have reached the end of this review video. Hope you found this video informative. I'll catch you guys soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.